Another section of my community. This part is worse than ever. This year, sir, worse than ever.
Are you ready for the event? We are ready
Kake! Ragwan, they are trying to get some little video out, you know? Guys, this is another section. This is another section. Terrible out here. This is what it looks like when it rains. When you go, when it rains heavily, this is what it looks like. Watch out. Wait. Guys, this is what it looks like when it rains. Mama, sometimes my police, they know, that's how they behave. Sometimes my police, that's how they behave. So. Yes, guys, so right here, so terrible.
Why one man never behave?
Terrible out here. Terrible out here. When I lay in this here. You flood out?
Water run through me out.
Really?
Yeah, right.
Whoa. I say go on bad, brother.
Over
there, so I want to go, but I can't reach over there.
So I want to dance, man?
I want to go, but I can't reach over there. I go through this, but...
No, not going nowhere.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to pass. Yeah, man, I'm not go for there. You say that I'm not move. Work right there, so I'm in community, I'm good. Terrible out here, guys. Really terrible. This is what it looks like. When the hurricane was there, we never have this.
No?
So 1 week after the hurricane, we get the effect. Yeah. 1 week after the water, after the hurricane, this is the effect. This is the effect. I run so, you don't go on so. You don't go on so. Run is so terrible. Terrible. Yes, guys, this is what it looks like outside. This is real life. Now, real life this. Real life. So, what a gash over there, so? Real life.
You know,
yeah, moss. We run this a moss here bad.
So they go in there, alright?
Yeah, man, you run there.
Yeah, the muff in there. They say me flood out, you know?
You flood out?
Yeah, man, that's how you go.
You say water run off, you know?
Yeah, but today, I run
in the house here, yeah. So you
messed up whole pass out.
So you
can't do no clean up till tomorrow.
So you can't make me go run there go get a little shot.
Eh?
You can't run there go get a little shot.
Like
video, get a little shot, I walk go on in there.
But we know say water run off now.
Yeah, but more at least you walk go on in the house here, you know?
Come on.
Guys, this is real life. This is what is happening right here in my community. Right here in my community after the shower. We have a long shower here today. Long shower today, and this is what it looks like. Water is gushing. You can hear the water like it's a fall. Yeah, you can hear the water, and this is the main road. 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 Water gets over there, so like. This is real life story. Real life story, guys. Real life story.
Nah, Joe been there.
Yes, brother.
Everything alright, yeah?
Yes, Barry.
Real life story. No, no, me not go cross. Me say, yes, you're right. Yes, Santa Mary. This is what is happening, guys. You know, turn on lightning.
I come to me foot, I pay fish.
Really? We saw one big one when they sell go me a pass.
Mari don't like police, you know.
Why? I when this I got this and all done for now. Man, them a eat a food right now. Man, them a eat a food. Look on the one there. Whoa, take time man with me up, bro.
Yeah, but case here now.
A case of what? A case of what? Oh. What a gash over there, so bad. Guys, I'm out here working. They are working. They are working. No play about it. They are working their foot and their guts off. Yeah, they're collecting right now.
Daga. Let you the man. Go through. Go long, let the man, and go through, man. Go through. Don't let him have something here. Come now. Let the man, and go through. Come down, close market.
This is what it looks like. Real deal. Live.
Take the time.
Guys, look right here, so over here, say where the water come from. Come from dash out over the so. And go over the so. Over Johnson Pen, can't cross it right now. Nobody can cross it over the so. Me not walking at that. Me not walking at that. Area. Oh, make sure you walk in that road. Boy, walk in that road and nobody walk over that gully. You see if over the other side. Yeah. What did you touch me with? Alright. Water up on the ground. Water like worries. Look over there, sir. The gash. Like the gushing mighty wind. Oh, look there. Look, I look sleepy. Look quiet, but it's deadly. Yeah? Can't cross it. Look on the one across it. Look on this. Why rough run here? Rough, me not lie. And if you go over the other side, the turbo more over there. Turbo more run on the other side. So this is two. This is second section. Second section of the community. This is second part of the community. So the first part on there, so the fish, and then this part on there, so. You're miserable, so. I'll make you miserable, so. It's getting dark out here, guys. Getting dark. What a road. Nobody eat a food out here. Nobody eat a food. Eating a food. Right there, right there, right there. Guys, in a normal run, it's $1,000 grant. Big box, you just get a while ago. Big box, big box. And they might eat a food. So anytime it rains, this is what happens. When it rains, this is what happens. When it rains, real bad.
Take your time, bro. Take your time. Go on, then. Take your time.
1,500 again. Whole heap of work on here, guys. Whole heap of work on the road. Whole heap of work for the young man then. A lot of work for the young man. Amen. Yeah. All right, all right.
Let's come up on the floor.
All right, guys. 3 seconds I'm out. Like, really? Yeah, this is what it looks like in my community in this evening. This Tuesday evening, this is what it looks like after the rain. So we have a big show of rain today, and this is what the community looks like. This is just one section of the community. Yeah, this is just one section. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment also, right? You're getting the live and living color. Live, live, live.
Look at the white one. I know them are rolling like country.